Breaking news for millions of Americans relying on Social Security and SSDI benefits. President Trump has officially signed transformative legislation delivering $2,200 in monthly relief checks to eligible recipients nationwide. This historic move marks one of the most significant boosts to these federal programs in recent decades, directly targeting inflation-strained households. Are you among the over 70 million Americans poised to receive this monthly increase? How soon will these payments hit your bank account? And what unexpected comments did President Trump make during the bill signing that left both political parties buzzing? This newly enacted legislation, called the American Financial Security Enhancement Act, signals a dramatic expansion in support for Social Security and disability insurance beneficiaries, particularly in light of ongoing economic pressures. After months of contentious negotiations in Congress, the bill passed with a 72-28 vote in the Senate and 267-165 in the House, showcasing rare bipartisan alignment. In a political climate where consensus is increasingly elusive, this legislation stands out as a unifying moment on a critical national issue. At its core, the law provides a recurring monthly supplement of $2,200 for those receiving Social Security retirement, survivor, or disability benefits. Unlike temporary relief measures of the past, this payment increase is designed to last, with a guaranteed 24-month distribution period and provisions for automatic extension based on economic conditions. It's not just another quick fix, it's a serious structural enhancement aimed at long-term economic relief for millions of Americans. During the White House signing event, President Trump made a statement that caught many off guard. This isn't about politics. It's about fulfilling our responsibility to the people who built this country. By highlighting the sacrifices of older Americans and individuals with disabilities, Trump's remarks signaled a meaningful shift in tone on social spending from a traditionally conservative administration. The implications could reshape future political narratives surrounding entitlement reform and federal benefits. According to the Treasury Department, payments will begin processing June 15 for Social Security retirement beneficiaries, with direct deposits arriving within 3 to 5 business days, and paper checks following approximately 1 week later. SSDI recipients will see their first enhanced payments sooner. Processing begins June 10 to prioritize individuals who often face higher health-related expenses. Importantly, recipients won't need to take any action. The Social Security Administration confirmed that current payment methods and account details will be used, streamlining the process for all involved. A critical provision of the bill ensures that these supplemental payments will not count as income when determining eligibility for other federal assistance programs like Medicaid, SNAP, or housing support. This safeguard prevents recipients from losing vital aid due to benefit increases, an issue that has plagued prior relief efforts and pushed vulnerable individuals off crucial safety nets. The funding for this initiative does not tap into existing Social Security trust reserves. Instead, it relies on newly authorized revenue streams, including targeted corporate tax adjustments and redirected spending from non-essential federal programs. This careful financial structuring is intended to provide much-needed relief while preserving the long-term solvency of the core Social Security system. For individuals receiving both Social Security retirement and SSDI benefits, only one monthly supplemental payment of $2,200 will be issued. However, the legislation does account for more complex cases. Those receiving multiple benefit types, such as retirement and survivor benefits, may be eligible for additional relief. The Social Security Administration plans to launch an online portal next week where recipients can verify their eligibility and specific payment amounts in detail. SSI beneficiaries will also see enhanced payments, though not the full $2,200. Proportional increases tailored to the program structure are included in the bill, ensuring that the lowest income recipients still receive meaningful relief. This coordinated approach across federal programs reflects a broader shift toward equitable benefits that consider individual needs and circumstances more comprehensively than previous relief policies. In another major development, the bill suspends Medicare Part B premium deductions from Social Security checks during the 2-year supplemental payment period. This temporary change boosts monthly net payouts by an additional $170 to $200 for many seniors, offering further financial breathing room amid escalating healthcare costs. It's one of the first times in recent memory that Medicare expenses have been reduced instead of increased, a significant and welcome policy change for older Americans. To further maximize the impact, the $2,200 monthly supplement is fully exempt from federal income tax, ensuring recipients get the full value without tax liabilities eating into their support. In line with this, several state governments have begun enacting their own tax relief measures for Social Security payments, with some moving to eliminate state taxes on benefits altogether. This alignment between federal and state initiatives could amplify the financial benefits for residents in participating states. Support networks across the country, senior centers, disability resource organizations, and community finance groups are preparing informational workshops and assistance programs to help beneficiaries navigate the new changes. These sessions aim to answer specific questions and ensure recipients understand how the new law impacts their broader financial landscape, including effects on budgeting, medical care, and existing aid. Politically, the signing of this bill has created ripples in Washington, challenging traditional party stances on federal support programs. With some conservative lawmakers praising the initiative and progressive leaders acknowledging the unexpected alliance, the 2025 legislative session could signal a recalibrated approach to economic security and welfare. Analysts suggest this moment might mark a pivotal redefinition of social safety net priorities going forward. The Social Security Administration strongly encourages recipients to create an online account to access real-time updates, verify payments, and receive future alerts. The upgraded portal is expected to handle increased traffic as implementation begins. If you haven't signed up yet, now is the perfect time to ensure you're fully prepared to monitor your benefits under this new framework. Mark your calendar, SSDI payments begin June 10th, and Social Security retirement payments follow on June 15th. These are the key dates when supplemental payments will officially start reaching beneficiaries. Stay vigilant, track your payment status, and consult official SSA communications regularly to stay informed of any evolving updates or clarifications. This monumental expansion of federal support represents a rare win for the American people in times of uncertainty. As we navigate the rollout together, staying informed will be the key to ensuring that every eligible person receives the help they're entitled to without delays or confusion. Expect more updates soon as additional implementation details unfold. And remember, understanding these changes is the first step in securing your financial stability.